boring quality. Let's do this. Okay, one side is done. Now let's do for the second one. Here we go. Okay. Okay, now this is really going to be very tough because we are very close to designing, you know. Okay guys, we are almost done making the layer part. As you can see, I don't know how much accurate it is, but yeah, looks almost accurate guys. But unfortunately guys, now I cannot make this Beyblade any more longer because guys, it's almost evening right now. Only 15 minutes left to see evening.
3:28 a.m. Day 2.
The video looks pretty much accurate than the previous one, but yeah, I'm really having a little bit of problem. As you can see, I don't know whenever I'm using my hand. As you can see guys, the video is getting too much brighted, so yeah, very sorry for that guys. Next time I will try to improve more. What the heck. Wow guys, not bad, looking perfect I guess. Almost we need to turn it paper to plastic, so yeah, super glue is the best option. Let's go. And yeah guys, super glue really makes papers fully solid. And also guys, it gives a little bit of shininess in the picture, as you can see, especially the face, you can see now. Okay. Honestly guys, I'm really having problem making video with this new phone. Because you all know that guys, I'm actually habituated with my previous phone. I actually made video with this phone, but now I'm making a video with my new phone, as you can see. Okay. Here we go. The layer is fully done. But finally we'll do some coloring, but it's not the right time. We have to create the bottom part now. So let's do this. Oh yeah, why not this one? So I'm going to use this as the electric driver part. Let's go. Let me stick it properly. Yeah guys, not bad. Pretty much similar to the original electric driver, I guess. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And I don't know guys why this video is always getting exposed so much. The brightness is getting higher and higher. Very sorry guys, but I don't know why this is happening. Because I never saw this problem in my previous one, but I am having this type of problem. As you can see guys, the brightness is getting brighter over time. I'm very sorry for this guys. Next time I will try to solve this problem. Just adjust for this video. Okay. Okay guys, for the performance step, I'm going to use the cap of the super glue that I had recently used to, to make it solid. I mean the face. Anyway, let's go. This will be our performance step for Imperial Dragon. Red color tape, same to same like Imperial Dragon performance step. So let's just quickly stick it on the Beyblade. Okay guys, let me just stick it properly and then we'll keep it to dry. Okay guys, our Beyblade is fully done right now, but now finally we have to add colors because it's not looking fully accurate like the original one. So yeah, let's just fully give some colors and make it fully colorful. Rainbow Beyblade, rainbow hyperflux. Let's go guys. Here's my permanent colors. Yellow, blue, red. Okay, let's go guys. Let's do this. This is going to be tough, but yeah, I will try my best. Let's do this guys. Okay guys, here's the final result. I don't know guys how much accurate. Let me show you that. Please let me know in the comments. I tried my best guys. Yeah, at least 20% accurate, but still it looks very worst. Okay, so here's the final product guys. Please let me know. Wow. Okay, give a like for this video guys please. At least for the video, not for the Beyblade but for the video. But yeah guys, it looks amazing while it's spinning, as you can see. Yellow, little bit blue. Wow, not bad guys. Pretty much accurate like the original one. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Whoa, wow. Not bad guys. Pretty much stable. And looks really like golden hyperflux coming out from Imperial Dragon, as you can see. Because I have used yellow color the most, especially on the bottle cap and also the side colors. Wow. Yeah guys, with this new phone the video quality is much smoother than before. Final battle. And see ya in the next one.
What are you waiting for? Do it!